what do we know lang so far about the subpoena? Just to be clear lang, sir, para malinaw lang. So on your end, sir.
Well, it's submitting the documents that the FISGOC submitted to the PSC in 2019. So since I am the chairman of the Philippine Sports Commission, tinatawag tayo, nandito po tayo para i-submit yun. What will happen during the meeting, I really don't have any idea yet. Maybe that is part of the clarification I will ask when I enter the meeting.
Sir, how do you feel about this investigation? So, kasi sir, from the 2019 ito, and ngayon lumulutang ulit. Kasi ngayon parang speculations pa lang naman lahat, part pa lang ng investigahan.
Well, wala po akong nararamdaman. At hindi ko po siguro trabaho yon para may maramdaman. Meaning, sa akin pumunta lang po ako dito dahil pinatawag, dahil hinihingi yung papeles ng NBI bilang kagawaran ng gobyerno. Then sumusunod lang po tayo rin sa request na yon. That is why I am here, to be very professional about it.
At nagkataon lang na nandito tayo mas kasi lumindol.
Exactly. So yun lang po. Yun ang whatever happens inside, I really don't know po. We are just here as the government agency in charge of sports, and kung ano po yung hininging mga papeles, ibibigay lang po namin.
Pero sir, bakit natagalan? Kasi I think parang last week pa ito supposedly. Or ito na po yung bagong schedule natin?
I don't know. It's the first time I received the letter from NBI. As a matter of fact, just 2 days ago. And we're here today. Kurtesiya po yun sa National Bureau of Investigation.
Pero did you expect it na? The subpoena, did you expect it na when the director announced na yung investigation?
Well, an investigation is an investigation. Since the Philippine Sports Commission is the government agency in charge of sports, then hindi po ako nagulat na talagang pinapasampi na kami. But like what I've said, we're here to just talk to them and submit the documents they requested.
What are your thoughts lang, sir, doon sa sinasabi ng mga authorities natin na parang there was an alleged corruption?
Wala po akong thoughts dyan. Let me be very clear. Wala po akong thoughts dyan at hindi po ako magkakamaling sagutin yan. Dahil po ako very professional lang na nagpunta rito dahil po pinasabi na po kami, at bilang chairman of Philippine Sports Commission, we will submit and follow the process.
Salamat, sir.
Thank you po.